Hello, it's Jennifer Harding Marlin, an attorney that works at the law firm J.H. Marlin Law, a law firm that specializes in citizenship by investment. So today's video is going to talk about things that you can do in advance prior to applying for citizenship by investment. So if you're someone who's considering applying for citizenship by investment, you might want to do some of the following things. So one is making sure that everybody in the application has a birth certificate, preferably in long format, meaning it shows the names of the parents on the birth certificate. So if you don't have a birth certificate, you might want to go ahead and order one. So another thing that you can do in advance is make sure that you have a valid passport and a valid national ID, meaning a valid national ID such as a driver's license. So what I mean by valid is that it's not expired. So sometimes people have an expired passport or an expired driver's license, for example. Some of the programs, due to COVID-19, you can apply even if you have an expired passport or expired national ID. However, in order to be approved, you will need to provide a valid, renewed form of identification. So these are some documents that you can do in advance to make sure that you have. And then another thing that you can do is you'll be required to do whatever citizenship program you do. You'll be required to have a utility bill and or a letter by an attorney confirming or notary confirming your address. So if you're someone that travels around all the time and doesn't have a permanent fixed address, you can go ahead and get a utility bill. Sometimes it can take a month or two before you can be listed as a named person on the utility bill. And so this is something that you can do. If you're someone that doesn't have a bank account at all, you might want to go ahead and open a bank account, preferably at an internationally recognized bank. And this is because a lot of the citizenship programs require 12 months of bank statements to be stamped and signed by the bank. Some require less months, other programs require more months. And so making sure that you have bank account and bank statements. Some of the programs require that you demonstrate that you have the funds capable of being able to make the investment, while other programs, it doesn't matter how much money you have in your account to be able to do the program. So for some of the programs, if you don't keep a lot of your funds in fiat currency and instead have most of your funds in cryptocurrency, you can provide wallet transactions to demonstrate that you have the funds and are capable of making the investment. Additionally, you can apply, and then if you were to sell an asset such as real estate, for example, you can just provide updated bank statements closer to the time of your approval. So this is a really short video, but I just wanted to talk about some things that you can do in advance prior to applying for citizenship by investment. All the best. Bye.